7 best foods to support liver health and function. Your liver is one of the hardest working organs in the body. Over 500 functions, including detoxification, hormone production, bile creation, and fat metabolism. It doesn't store toxins, but it can become overloaded, inflamed, or sluggish, leading to fatigue, joint pain, hormone imbalance, and more. The good news? Certain foods powerfully support liver repair, reduce inflammation, and enhance detoxification pathways. Here are the top 7, ranked by research strength. Number 7. Avocados, the anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Just 1 avocado per week has been shown to improve liver enzyme levels and reduce fat accumulation. Avocados are rich in glutathione and healthy monounsaturated fats that lower systemic inflammation. They also improve insulin sensitivity, crucial for preventing fatty liver. Add half an avocado to salads or as a snack. Number 6. Extra virgin olive oil, the simple daily booster. 1 teaspoon daily significantly lowers liver enzymes and reduces liver fat in studies. Its oleic acid and polyphenol are strongly anti-inflammatory and support bile flow. Choose cold-pressed, extra virgin. Heat and refining destroy benefits. Drizzle, don't cook at high heat. Number 5. Mushrooms, glutathione superstars. Mushrooms are among the richest natural sources of glutathione and ergothioneine, 2 key liver protective antioxidants. Research shows they protect liver cells from damage and support detoxification enzymes. A handful cooked or in broth 3 to 4 times per week is enough. Number 4. Beets, bile flow and fat reduction. Beets contain betaine and betalains that stimulate bile production and reduce liver fat. Studies show regular consumption lowers liver enzymes and protects against oxidative stress. Steamed or roasted keeps carbs moderate. Great with olive oil and greens. Number 3. Turmeric, inflammation fighter. Curcumin in turmeric is one of the most studied liver protective compounds. It reduces liver fat, inflammation, and fibrosis risk, especially powerful for fatty liver. Always combine with black pepper. Half teaspoon in food or warm water daily. Number 2. Garlic, sulfur detox support. Garlic's allicin and sulfur compounds enhance phase 2 liver detox pathways and act as natural antimicrobials. Research shows it reduces liver fat and protects against damage from toxins/alcohol. Raw or lightly cooked, 1 to 2 cloves daily. Number 1. Cruciferous vegetables, the undisputed champion. Kale, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, arugula, radish, all loaded with sulforaphane and indole, 3-carbinol. Sulforaphane activates NRF2 pathway, boosting glutathione production, reduces liver inflammation and fat accumulation, supports estrogen detox and insulin sensitivity. Broccoli sprouts have 20 to 100 times more sulforaphane than mature broccoli. Just 1/4 to 1/2 cup raw or lightly steamed daily is clinically effective. Your simple daily liver support plan. Aim for 2 to 3 of these foods every day. Breakfast, arugula salad with olive oil lunch, steamed broccoli plus garlic dinner, beets or cabbage with turmeric. Add sprouts weekly for maximum sulforaphane. Important notes: these foods support, not cleanse. True detox happens through liver pathways, not magical flushes. Combine with low-sugar eating and intermittent fasting for fastest results. If you have liver issues, work with a healthcare provider. Your liver is incredibly resilient. Give it the right fuel consistently, and it will reward you with energy, clearer skin, stable hormones, and better overall health. Start with 1 food today. Your liver will thank you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Broccoli.